guys, it's Abby
and Andrea.
Today we are doing the Play-Doh challenge. I don't know if this is a real thing. It might be, it might not be. Who knows? So basically, how it works is we have rolling pins and knives. I want this one. I personally like it better than that one.
I can roll better with this one.
But basically, we have Play-Doh. We have blue, white, a little bit of pink.
I don't think we have the white one. I don't think we have any of the white one left. Oh, we have a little bit.
So we have a little bit of pink, a little bit of white, the blue, a greenish color, orange, and yellow. The pink cap's not on pink. So we're going to separate these and we'll be right back. Okay, so you know how I said there's only like a little bit of pink? Because we couldn't find the cap for the pink. So some of it's dried out. So there's not going to be that much.
This is all the white that we have too.
Okay. This is all we have for pink.
Yeah, we only have a tiny bit for white too.
Okay. Okay, we'll be right back. So, she's doing the blue. I already separated the pink and the white. I'm doing the green. Look how pretty this is. It looks lighter on camera, but it's darker in person.
I'm gonna do this exactly how I did it with the pancake.
Like we said, there is more like other colors than the pink and the white. Obviously, like we said. Okay, I'll separate the orange and she'll separate the yellow. So I have orange. She has orange. I have the tealish green. I have the tealish green. I have blue. She has blue. She has pink and white. I have pink and white and yellow and yellow. So we're gonna clean this up. Okay, so we have our colors sorted out. I'm gonna roll them into balls, like like Andrea's. We just came back from Cookie Creek. That's why my hair's back. Our makeup, all of our makeup washed off. Well, not all of it.
Our lips are a little bit red because we just got done eating spicy food.
It was good though.
Mm-hmm. Okay, almost done rolling my orange.
Kind of done with my orange. Why does it look so bright on camera?
I don't know. Same with the yellow.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Maybe because they're just normally bright colors.
Right now we're in some pretty good lighting though. We're using the natural sunlight.
Yeah, this is all natural. Like literally, we have no lights. I don't know if you can see that. No lights, nothing. All natural.
And we already did a 12-hour handcuff
Yeah.
challenge. So now we're going
yeah,
to
tonight we're gonna do the next 12 hours. Because technically, it doesn't say it has to be 24 hours in a row.
Exactly. Whenever they say the 24-hour handcuff challenge,
They don't say in a row 24 hours.
exactly. And off camera, they probably take off the handcuffs.
Yeah, but we didn't do that.
We filmed it, and then the video went wacko.
I need to show you a video later, speaking of which. Just can't let me forget. So, right. Yeah, we only have a little bit of white.
I feel like orange is like the most.
Bright? Or the most amount. Okay. I'm thinking of what I'm going to make.
I'm thinking of that wow and wild onion. Shouldn't we explain to them how this challenge works?
Oh, so basically how this challenge works is we have Play-Doh. We have rainbow colors. Except for purple.
And red.
Well, pink is filling out for red. But So basically, we take all of the Play-Doh, well, not all of it, and then we make something that we think about, and then the other person has to guess. So I think we should do it like this. No, like this. Okay. Play-Doh, nobody asked you to be in the way. So disrespectful. Okay.
So we have our ruler heads.
I prefer this one better. It's easier.
We have our Play-Doh all set up.
I don't know what I'm gonna make. I do. I have an idea of what I'm gonna make. Okay.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna make.
Okay. I'm gonna, alright, let's go. Alright, we're just gonna do it at the same time. Ooh, how am I gonna do
This might not work.
that? Just gonna use blue.
I don't think mine will work.
I was just gonna say why, what are you making, but can't say
I'll
that.
tell you that. Yeah, because we normally tell each other like everything.
Yeah.
Literally everything.
Well, literally, like when we say literally, we mean literally.
Even if we weren't supposed to tell the other person.
We still don't. Because that's what good friends do. Like, if someone tells you, like, let's say, me and her, like, let's use a name. Okay, her name's gonna be Angelica. I have no idea why. I just thought of it. So let's say me and her hate Angelica, but we act like we like her, just to be nice, you know. And let's say Angelica tells me something about her. Then she's like, promise not to tell her. And I was like, okay, I won't. And then I go and tell her because we're friends. And I really don't like her. Okay. Here, plug your ears and say la 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 la. I'm making a Christmas tree. I hope you could hear me. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Okay. You tell them what you're making.
I'm not sure if what I'm making will work though.
Just tell them. If.
Here, wait, you're gonna have to un-la la la. You're gonna have to un-la la la real fast. Okay, la 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 again. Where's the speaker at? Where's the speaker at on this?
Just say it like into here.
I think I'm going to make a reindeer that is probably going to be orange for her.
You good?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna make something else with what I told you. If you didn't hear me, I'm sorry. You'll see you later.
I smashed my toe with a chair, and I just threw this at myself.
Okay, it looks nothing like what I'm trying to make, but...
Wait, I'm changing this, and it's going to be nothing like what I said it was. But
Okay, tell them.
so I changed my thing, and I think now I'm going to make a beach scenery with like a little sunset in the back.
Good? Yep. What? You
Yep.
good? Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Is this gonna have to
be
work?
pretty interesting to make.
I wouldn't to know whatever you're making, and I bet you want to know what I'm making.
Yours looks interesting.
If like the other person wants hints, you can give them like a little bit of hint, but you can't give them like the whole thing, like a lot of hints. Like let's say you're making like a swimming pool, and you say it's in a case of water, then obviously they're gonna know, like unless you're talking about a water bottle or something. Then. I banned you from looking at mine from now on. Okay? You can ban me from looking at yours.
I banned you from looking at
Hey, there's our spot that we added in.
I can't look.
You can look at the Play-Doh.
I
Okay, you
mixed
can't
mine all in.
Huh?
I mixed all of it in for me.
And like as you can see, obviously, unless like the Play-Doh gets stuck and it's rolling, we cannot look at each other from like the camera. So obviously, our cousin's going to splash the green.
She's already there.
Well, yeah, she's already at splash. Out me! How dare she? But then again, we won't have her jumping on the bed.
And getting us in trouble. Or crying over watching this. Then
Not
scary movie.
It's called Death Note. It's not even scary.
It's more of a comedy than it is like a scary movie.
It was literally in the comedy section on Netflix. So like, what?
Yeah, like we legit picked up comedies because we don't
Yeah.
watch very many comedies where we watch horror
Yeah,
movies.
yeah. We wanted to look, or like 13 Reasons Why. That's not really horror, but we really don't watch comedies, like she said. So
Or we'll watch Stranger Things.
yeah, we haven't watched that in a while
Yeah.
because we were all caught up in 13 Reasons Why,
Yeah, we finished the whole entire
like seasons and stuff
we finished all of 13 Reasons Why.
until they make more, obviously.
Yeah. Huh?
Okay. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this.
Oops. What did you do?
I looked at your rolling Play-Doh.
Oh, that's just me rolling Play-Doh. It's fine, I won't ban you.
Okay. You're not banned from looking at mine. You're unbanned, I guess. That's what you want to call it.
I'm still focusing on mine because I have a lot to do.
Unless you're doing something strange, then obviously I'm gonna look at what you're doing. Because why not?
Well, if you unbanned me, then I unbanned you.
Mm.
That looks so...
It looks like a mustache. Like a giant mustache. Hold, am I burnt right here?
Not that much. It just
You look like you're burnt. It looks lighter on camera. Trust me.
my goodness. Dang it, I'm gonna have to start.
You may think this is a tree. It's not.
We're both thinking, what is she doing?
I think that all the time about me.
I think I know what
Don't
she's
you dare
thinking.
fall. So disrespectful.
We have another video, but we didn't post it yet. By the time this video is out, that will already be posted though. And we were talking about how whenever we get like upset with things, we talk to them.
Hmm?
How whenever we were doing the 3 marker challenge, how we were talking about how like if something gets us like if
Okay.
something's doing
Oh,
something
I
that we're
know.
not,
Yeah, like if the phone falls, we'll be like, did anybody tell you to fall? No.
or if the microwave beeps, we'll be like, did anybody tell you to beep?
I did that.
Yeah, she did that yesterday. Yesterday.
Was it yesterday?
Yeah, because yesterday we
Yeah.
did the blindfolded What's That Food challenge. We did not film that.
Sadly. It was hilarious.
We tried banana and chocolate chip pancakes.
They were actually, no, waffles.
Waffles.
Did you just say waffles?
Yeah.
Pancake waffles.
We understand each other's language.
Like, we know what this means. Okay. Obviously, we can't tell you, but we know what this means. We know what. Remember? Glasses are really tall. Okay, what's Karen? Oh, it's. And then, this. Well, it's like, it should be like, so it should be like, hey, it's mine. I really don't even know if the Play-Doh challenge is even a real thing.
I just made it one time.
Yep, if it is a real thing. We'll have to look it up later.
Just, being a little rolling Play-Doh that I already cut back together because I'm too lazy just to restart. For like the 5th time. Okay.
Actually, I'm just gonna use all of these, so that was basically pointless. But, okay. What? I think I know what you're doing.
Okay, you sure about that? Okay, so we're gonna take a guess right now.
No, we're not.
No, we're not gonna tell anybody if it's true or not, though.
Oh, I'm not taking a guess right now.
Okay.
You want to take a guess?
Yeah, because I want to see if you got mine right.
Okay. Okay, take a guess.
Clover. Okay, you gonna take a guess?
I'm going to wait till you add it.
Okay.
Because now that I think about it, it might be a little bit something else. So, right now, I am just rolling out some white Play-Doh like this, and I'm just going like that and rolling it out. Going like this.
Actually, before I add that, I need to add a little bit more of whatever. I almost said it.
Could be water. I think I know what you're doing. I want to try something in my mouth though. kind of hurting. Where's Blake?
No. Wait.
I think I know what you're doing now. But I'm gonna just wait. I have an idea for another video.
And that is.
So we can have like a plate, a paper plate. Then we can put a food in it.
Okay.
Then we lift it up, but the other person turns around, and it could be like a food we hate or food we love. But we're gonna have to try and fool them with our reaction.
Oh, like what Casey and Casey did.
Yeah. So basically, like a good plate and a bad plate. And if it's a good thing, like let's say this is spaghetti. It's not really spaghetti. And then there's like mustard under here. But okay, let's just say spaghetti's the good one. And I look under, so she looks away and covers right there. And then I look like that. Then I think it's good. So then I'll go like, that's my reaction. By the reaction, she's going to choose if she wants to switch it or keep it. And then we'll open it and have to eat it.
I don't like mustard. Mustard's gross. It tastes like vomit.
How do you know what vomit tastes like?
Because whenever it comes out of your mouth, you taste it.
How do you know what vomit tastes like? That's what I'm saying. From whenever you're sick?
Yeah. I feel like mine's gonna be a little bit hard to guess. No, I feel like yours is gonna be harder to guess.
Do you know yet? I know what yours is. Can I guess now?
Mm-hmm.
A water and a sunset. Hopefully I'm right.
Wait, I screwed up. I didn't need orange. I screwed up. Didn't need orange. And that's not right.
Me being me.
I feel like I know what hers is now.
What?
Christmas tree.
Could be. Never know.
I make weird noises whenever I'm cutting things. Like sometimes I'll go, wachow, wachow. I did that at her house one time. She's like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm making noises.
Sound effects.
They're just sound effects.
I'll be right back.
I'm not making the sunset anymore. I'm making water. I've actually changed my idea since before she guessed. I'm making water, a sun, trees, and a few birds, and maybe a few splash ripples. So, let's see how this goes. That's why I said that whenever I grabbed the orange, I messed up. Because I don't know why, but I was going to make orange trees, and then I remembered that I had green. So, yeah, right now that's what I'm making. You guys can see. That's what she's working with right now.
Boo. I see you in the screen dancing. For some reason, this looks like a gummy.
I feel like you changed yours. Did you? Okay, I set this
It's like I thought of one, and then I was like, well, maybe I should do it, maybe I shouldn't. So I told them the first one that I said, and then
When now it's gone, you told me another.
yeah, because it's like, and then as I was creating it, I was thinking about it, and it was like, and I was waiting until like you were gone, because I knew that you would get up and leave eventually, because it's just the Abby thing to do. Where were you at?
Bathroom. Where else would I be?
Eating my food.
I did do that.
Okay, so the first time she came over to my house for a sleepover, I was like, okay, well, let me give you a house tour. She's like, wait, before we do anything, where do you keep your food?
I did say that.
And it was like the first time she stayed at my house.
I screwed up.
See, that's what happens.
Why do I look so ugly? I feel like you changed it.
It's like, I didn't really change it, but I forgot that I had green. I don't know why. I was just like so intent on using the orange because it's so bright. It's like I wanted to use the orange, but I don't know what I would use it for in this. Okay, now I know what I would use it for. Because, like, you know how there's, like, colors that stand out and you want to use them more?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's how I was. I told them what I was going to make with the orange. And,
I know what I'm making next round.
hmm?
I know what I'm making next round.
So do I.
Just from me saying orange.